Day is upon us. Our friend always says that cooking for each other is a labor of love, so we're gonna labor today. Would you like to help me cook today? Since it's for love?
We'll give it the good old college try and see what we can pull off. Welcome to Cooking with Untethered. What are we making?
Good question. We probably should have had a team meeting before we started the camera rolling. We're gonna have cookie sheet fajitas, potato cannolis, which is like a potato with mashed potato inside.
Oh, that's two of my favorite vegetables, potatoes and mashed potatoes.
And then for dessert, we're gonna make chocolate bowls with fruit and little fancy pancake things.
Like little tiny thin pancakes?
Not.
Just say I love really thin pancakes.
I'm not gonna say it. I tried to be a little better prepared this time than last time. Did I run through all of the ingredients individually? Absolutely not. But I have discovered what we're missing, so that's a start.
Okay.
I did go ahead and peel the potatoes. I need to slice some off first. And then our chocolate bowls, we never did pick up any balloons for the chocolate bowls. So we're gonna figure something out for that and get those hardening. That's the plan.
So this should be like a 20-minute deal.
Have you met me?
For reference right now, we just clicked over to minute 4.
Okay. So Nat, don't annihilate yourself with this.
Okay. But it seems like you don't really know how to work it.
Stab it! Those are great.
Hey, I did something right. Look at me go.
So proud.
And then we need more
chop
of
these
those.
up.
You can tell I don't get into the kitchen much. Stick to the grill.
We didn't get the onion.
Well, that seems important.
We're gonna go sans onion.
I almost cut my hand.
So this giant Ziploc bag that Cody picked up.
They said gallon.
They did not.
You told me to get gallon Ziploc bags, and I saw. I hate grocery shopping. I was in a hurry. She was right. I was wrong. I was instructed to get gallon bags, and I bought 2.5. I mean, I should have known by this. I should have known by the size of the box.
This is a good day. So I'm marinating the steak meat, and I just did some basic seasoning. Put a little bit of steak sauce. Andrea's, our friends brought it from Illinois because they know that we like it. It's from O'Fallon, Illinois.
O'Fallon, Missouri. Illinois.
Which is close to Missouri. So put a little bit of that in there to marinate.
So basically what's going to happen here is Angela's going to do 90% of this while I cut up 4 potatoes.
Did you abandon post already? Staller.
By now, if you haven't watched the original Cooking with Ange, go back and watch that. We'll put that up here or up here. You're getting a little close to my knife.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen the original Cooking with Ange, I suggest, in the strongest of terms, you click this link after you finish this video.
Quit threatening the audience.
And check that one out.
I'll bag these up.
Same thing. I'm the knife guy.
Let's julienne those.
What does that mean? What does julienne mean?
We've had the julienne conversation so many times.
We need to have it again because I don't remember.
Yes, it's the long, thin strips.
Okay, so for the next 15 minutes...
Julienne who?
Who's Julienne? So this.
Oh.
Let you draw.
Mushrooms. I did knife squeeze me.
Julienne in these things. This looks really nice. Some nice julienne bell peppers. And we throw one. I cut that just through the same.
The sass level.
Yeah, I was thinking
It's just...
you need to tone that level down just a little bit. I'm glad you recognized it. I didn't have to say anything.
We're gonna pop it in the oven. So we're gonna make our cannolis.
Holy cannoli. So we're winging it through winter and we're winging it through dinner.
We're gonna make little round aluminum foil rolls like this. Just cute. So how do you get them to roll on there? Pinterest told me that I could just lay it across the top.
Well, lucky for you, I don't know how they're supposed to be, so.
So it sort of kind of fits. So the next challenge are chocolate bowls. We were going to blow up balloons, dip them in chocolate, and cool them, and then pop the balloon. So we did get balloons.
We have rubber gloves, though.
Will that work? We're gonna have fingers in them.
Yeah, this is just a mock-up idea, but then you could dip that in chocolate. So this is about as big as it's gonna get without blowing it up in our face. So what we could do is take this. So you gotta cook this next?
We're not gonna cook the glove. We're gonna
Dip it in chocolate. I mean, it'll work.
You think so?
Well, what's wrong with it?
How is that gonna hold anything?
When the chocolate comes off each finger, you can jam whatever you want down in there.
Into a little finger hole?
Yeah.
You're gonna put like one little piece of pineapple in there?
Oh, yeah.
What else you got? I wondered if we could put wax paper, somehow tie it on, and dip that.
All the things I'd never throw away.
Nice work. Melt some chocolate.
Just a nice, quick Valentine's Day meal. I don't want to play with the duck. My hands are clean. I can't. I'm kind of concerned about how these are going to come off that wax paper.
Let me rearrange these. Take me. It's scalding my finger.
Yeah, that's a nice bonus.
It's not curved like it's supposed to be. I'm not sure how these are going to turn out. And I'm going to check on our cannoli. It's like a little potato chip. I'm beginning to think that we made a big mess for very little payoff.
Potatoes in potatoes. I dig it. Some of them did indeed curve. You could probably salt and cheese those. Oh, that one broke. Oh, this is terrible.
Ah! Oh! Yours is a chocolate plate.
So that was a disaster.
Don't give up on it.
Oh. 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 Mom, I know you know how to make this work right, and I probably should have called you first.
Mom, come out!
Ma.
Life gives you lemons to shift. Have an idea.
I mean, I just have to imagine what this looks like on the screen.
They're going, oh man, this is just amazing.
This is what 20 years get you.
It's gonna get loud. Imagine what our neighbors think.
There's no telling. Let's melt it.
Our perfection.
Uh-huh.
Hey, who's gonna wash these dishes?
We'll just insert that time lapse right here for reference.
What are you sitting down for? That ain't quitting time. You know what I think these need?
What?
A little cacao. It's an excuse to use a little cacao.
So we've been working on this for about 6 weeks now.
I think we've done pretty good.
Castles.
And now we wait. Next we're gonna work on our fancy pancakes. Flour, sugar. I don't have baking powder. Let me see if I can find a recipe without it. 1 butter? What does that mean?
One what? Butter or oil?
1. We'll just do that. Alternative pancakes are done.
Candy making?
It's for squirting
Yeah.
designs.
Yeah.
I'm afraid that hole's going to be too small. So I'm wondering if we should cut
Yeah.
the tip off.
This should work. I have no clue how you're going to get that in there.
Well, that's a much smaller hole than I anticipated. That.
We're going to make a funnel.
So you're the brains of the operation.
Painter's tape has played a huge part in this meal. This is like a scavenger hunt, cooking video all at once. Let's stop right there because I don't think it's going in.
Shake, shake,
Here it
shake,
goes.
shake.
Here it goes. Be a great spot for a time lapse.
It's coming out of the bottom. Are you holding it?
I'm holding it. I think just something bad happened.
Oh, something bad happened.
Coming soon, we'll do a video on how our seat tank clogged up.
Like a little volcano.
Spatula. Oh, cool.
Is it?
What's it say, 2012?
What? This?
Oh, I thought it said something.
This is not going well.
Easy on that cacao, we don't have much left.
Bam. That beautiful mess. Here comes the internet lies.
I gotta have some water. Now that we've seen what it looks like, or what it was supposed to look like online, we're both gonna give a little rating. So for the fajita meat,
Presentation of the fajitas. Since I burnt the meat, I'm gonna say a 4.
taste, I go 7.
Oh, big boss.
So fajita taste,
Was it worth it?
yeah,
Worth it. Because it wasn't that much time.
yeah, I'd agree. So let's try the potatoes, the potato cannolis, right? I'm gonna go first because I've been eyeballing these. Let's see. Presentation, I'm gonna give it a solid 5. 10 on taste.
Really?
Yeah.
I've been meaning to tell you something. I love you from my head to my potatoes.
Mom joke.
Let's say we don't know what it was supposed to look like. They're kind of cute.
That's a 10 to me. That's great.
The taste is a 10. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
No. Let's try just a little bit of our dessert and then we're gonna eat. Little thin fancy pancakes. Presentation
0.
is a 0. I'd give that a 3.
It needs some more sugar or syrup or some kind of complexity to it.
It needs a lot of stuff. They don't taste bad, but they don't taste good.
Yeah, we could have done better there.
Yeah, I could make it through it without gagging. Was it worth it?
No.
No. Alright, so our fancy desserts. If you don't know what they're supposed to look like, and it was the original thing that they were supposed to
You
be,
could call that a 5.
I'd give that a 7. I think they're cute. Taste?
Oh, 8. I could do more of that.
Was it worth the effort?
No.
No.
I think we could have made the bowls to where they were actually bowls and had a little more success with that.
And put fruit in them?
Yeah.
Like a bowl of fruit?
I'm glad we have them because they're good.
Well, there you have it, folks. We probably won't be doing this for quite some time. Until we forget all about this whole experience and try it again.
Fun to cook with your spouse or your boyfriend, girlfriend, aunt, uncle, whatever. Maybe we stick to something more simple in the future.
Spaghetti.
So can we eat now? Because I'm starving.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.